Hi, this is Bobby from Themes and Screams, and we just got these Disney Magical mystery pens. Each one is one of the old 1990s or so era Disney afternoon cartoons. I want the Darkwing so bad, so we're gonna open them up and see what we get.
Darkwing
The
first.
first one?
Let it be Darkwing.
Darkwing!
Oh my
Duck!
god, it is! That's so exciting.
That is so exciting, guys. Darkwing. First pack, okay. Darkwing Duck. Let's see, second one. If they're all Darkwing, that would be hilarious.
Not really.
I mean, no, it would be a bit of a waste, but... Nope, we got Goofy.
Goofy. Hold on, I'm trying to focus it. There we go. Got it.
Goofy.
Good.
Goofy. Alright. Third pack. Let's do this. Third pack. We got Bonkers.
Oh, so far we haven't gotten any duplicates. Hold on, I gotta focus it. There we go. Bonkers.
Bonkers. Alright. So far, so good. Let's see. Fourth pack.
And how many are there in total?
We got 8 packs total.
No,
so-
I know, but how many?
Oh, there are 6.
6
So
options.
we're gonna
So if
get-
we got
we're
all
gonna-
6 and
I
then
know,
had...
that would be so awesome.
Okay.
And then 2 duplicates. Baloo from Tailspin,
That's what I wanted.
guys.
I wanted Baloo.
Baloo from
Oh,
Tailspin.
put him back up for
Oh.
a second and stay still. There we go. All right.
Baloo from Tailspin. How cool. Okay. So, that's 4 of the 6. So exciting. The only things we have left are Chip and Dale from Rescue Rangers and Uncle Scrooge from DuckTales.
Oh, let's get him, please.
We got another Darkwing.
Okay, so we got a duplicate on
So,
Darkwing.
Darkwing Duck. All right, we got 3 more packs. So are we gonna get the 2 that we need out of these next 3? Are we gonna get them? Hopefully.
I hope
2 more
so.
packs.
It would be awesome if we got them all
2
in the
more
first
ones. Yeah,
buy
it would.
and had the whole collection.
Another Bonkers.
So okay, so we got 2 duplicates.
So we got another Darkwing and another Bonkers.
You gotta stay still. There we go.
Alright, so we only have 2 more chances. Hopefully, Uncle Scrooge, Chip and Dale. Hopefully, Uncle Scrooge and Chip and Dale.
Uncle Scrooge or Chip and Dale.
And Chip and Dale.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Chip and
They were the
Dale
other
from
ones I really
Rescue
wanted.
Rangers.
Stay still.
Oops.
It has a hard time focusing on it. Hold on. It's good enough, I guess.
Okay. Chip and Dale from Rescue Rangers. Alright.
All right, so now we want this one to
last.
be
Uncle Scrooge.
Uncle Scrooge.
We
Uncle
want
Scrooge.
Uncle Scrooge.
Uncle
from
Scrooge.
DuckTales.
How awesome would it be if we got them all in the first shot? Uncle Scrooge. Uncle Scrooge. Uncle Scrooge. Be Uncle Scrooge. Uncle.
Uncle Scrooge!
Oh my God! We need to go play the lottery.
We got Uncle Scrooge.
Yay!
So that is all 6 of the magical mystery pens.
With
Fantastic.
only
That is
2
amazing.
duplicates. We bought
Only-
8 packs. We got 2 duplicates, and we got the whole set.
Yep, and 2 Darkwings
That's
and
our
2 Bonkers.
And that's our first complete set of any pin
That
series.
is true. Yep.
Our first complete set of any pin series. Oh my God, that's so awesome! All right, guys, if you liked this video, please give it a like and give us a follow.
Thank you guys.